Can you see my screen?
Ooh, that's cool.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Oh, you drew that too, or you found it?
Nah, I found it somewhere else. We also have Nkosi over here to my left. He's going to be joining us and chiming in throughout the lesson as well. All
Hey,
right.
hey, Kira, what's your nickname?
Just stick with Kira or Q. It doesn't matter.
I'm gonna call you cute.
That works too. See, that's a common nickname.
You know how we do.
All right. I see you. Let's see if you can get these math equations right. I know you can.
I don't know. We got a
Okay.
challenge today. We got a challenge for you today.
Oh, Lord. All right.
All right. You're already familiar with it. Like you remember what all of these shapes represent, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to circle a shape real quick. So you remember what's the value of this bit
That's
right
the Oh, I was gonna say that's the value of one.
here? Very good. And this one?
That's the value of two. We got the value of four,
And what's another name for this shape?
a palm.
Very good. And
Yeah.
what's the value of this?
Then we have the value of eight,
And otherwise known as.
two palms.
So if we were to have these three shapes circled, what
That'd
would
be a
we call that?
that'd be three palms, or that'd be 12 in total.
Very good. And what about this if we were to circle these three?
And that'd be seven, so that'd be a palm and three fingers.
Very good. Very good. So you remember everything from our last couple weeks.
We're gonna have fun today. What we're gonna do is just change the name of each shape.
Mm,
Exactly.
So we're gonna go up to the blue. We're gonna change that from what do you typically call it, Q?
um, we typically call it like two palms. What do you mean, the blue one?
Yep. How many units? Our fingers. How many bits?
Oh, it has eight fingers, or like in total just eight. Yeah.
Okay. We can also call them bits. So we're gonna call this, his name now is, drum roll, 1/2.
Okay, one half.
Okay. So the palm now is called, what do you think it's called?
Um, Shoot, it's just gonna be like what, one third, one fourth, maybe.
One
No, one.
fourth.
No, wait. Yeah,
Correct.
one
One.
fourth.
And guess what we're gonna call the next one, the two orange.
Well, we already got one half, one fourth. What's it gonna be like? What? No, it's not gonna be one eighth. Uh,
1/8 is correct.
oh shoot. Well, never mind.
Okay. Now I'm gonna show you why. If you could, Jelani, take the two yellow, take one yellow and make it two and put it under. There you go. So, and I'll put it actually to the right. Yeah, put it there. All right. And put the other two up. There you go. And pull the half down. All right.
Mm,
So how many do you have all together?
16.
Correct. You have 16 altogether. So 8 would be, you can bring the labels back. That'd be great.
Mm, So, oh, there we go.
8 would be what fraction of 16?
Half, like you said.
That's what his name is have, exactly. And 1/4 would be what fraction of 16?
So it'd be one fourth then.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
And
Uh,
the two orange units, that would be what fraction of 16?
Oh, so that'd be one eighth, and then so one will be 1/16.
Correct. So that's what we're going to write at the bottom.
Okay.
So we're going to have fun playing a little game today. We're just going to use these Bitrick math toys, also called math links, Linkabot, to basically just learn how to count
Mm-hmm.
and add and subtract fractions of an inch, because there are exactly 16 parts to an inch. And this is a fun, easy way to learn how to add and subtract fractions of an inch. We call fractions of an inch over here in American math, we call them bits. So these are called bits.
Okay.
So you have 1 bit, equals a finger, 2 bits equals, you know,
Yeah.
well,
Okay.
or what you say again?
Oh no, I was just saying, okay, keep going, keep going.
Well, you tell me.
Hmm. So like you said, yeah, there's talking. Oh my God, the distractions. But you said one finger is 1 bit, and like you said, so would it still be considered a palm, or would we say like just 4 bits in general for a
No, you can
palm?
say a palm.
Okay. All right. So then we got like 1 bit, 2 bits, so on and so forth. The palms, like let's say a palm and 2 bits and stuff like that.
So a palm and 2 bits is what's the total?
6.
6. So excellent. So it would be 6. If we wanted to make it a fraction of an inch, it would be 6 what?
Oh, you said fraction of an inch?
Yes.
It'll
Here's what
be
Wait a minute,
6.
let me
Oh wait, no.
go ahead, answer this question.
You said a fraction of an inch. Like so, and then you said like 6 bits or something.
Yeah,
So
so if you had to say 6, you said 6 bits. So if you have your 1/4 and your 1/8 put together, that would typically equal 6 bits. But if we had to make 6 bits a fraction of an inch, and if there's 16 parts to an inch, then 6 bits would end up being what fraction of an inch?
whoa, so then that'd be a half.
Okay, so let's count out a half.
Yeah,
So if we have 6 bits,
exactly.
okay, so how many bits do we have right here?
On total?
No, no, just the palm plus two bits.
Oh, the palm plus 2 bits, that's 6.
Very good. So how many parts of an inch is it?
So it'd be half an inch because an inch is.
6. So
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I was thinking of the whole ruler, like 12 inches. Uh, hmm.
that would actually that's very good because we can use the same system for inches. You would
Mm-hmm.
think in terms of Bitric 12, which is 12 parts, but this is a Bitric 16 game. So I may have forgot to tell you that. So the Bitrix system has different games that you play, and you group at a certain number. So this is a Bitrix 16 game. So we group as 16. So half of 16 would be what?
It's 8.
So you thought we were playing a Bitrix 12 game
Mm-hmm.
where half would have been 6. So that's a common thing that happens when you're playing different Bitrix games.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
very good. So we're playing Bitrix 16, okay?
Okay.
So that means that the denominator would be 16, which
Hmm.
means if you have 6 bits, that would be 6 over 16,
6/16.
or
Okay.
6 of 16,
Because we have 6 parts of 16.
Okay.
okay?
All right. Wait, so
How
give me a.
many eight, how many eighths do you see?
All right. So there would be. Hold on. So there'd be 2/8 in the 16.
No.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Eighths. Oh, okay. Hold on. So there'd be, yeah, 8/8.
Let's count them.
Yeah.
Remember that an eighth is
The 2.
correct.
Yes. Well, so be. Oh, we're just counting this lower level right here, right? Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
that's what I
Oh,
outlined.
oh, my bad. It's 3. I'm over here all over. I'm gonna just focus on that lower area. We'll just. There we go.
So how many eighths do we have?
Do we have 8? I mean, why did I say that? 3. You have 3. There we go.
Very good. You're doing very good, by the way.
Uh,
Okay, so what you're doing is you're just learning the game. You're learning the game in its pieces.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready
So
to talk?
what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back and we're gonna start having more fun just counting the pieces out, okay?
All right.
All right, Kira. So,
Right.
all right, cool. So what we're gonna do is, you remember previous weeks how we drag a symbol out into the play space and you tell me what the value is?
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is over here is our just over here to the left is just our storage area. But when I drag a piece over here to the right, I want you to tell me its value. Okay.
Okay.
So right now we have,
We
what's
have
the value of
we have
the space?
1/16.
Very good.
So we have 1/8.
Very good.
Then we have 1/4.
Awesome.
And then we have 1/2. Let me move the camera so I can see. There we go. Then we have 1/4. 1/16 again. We have 1/8. We have 1/4. And then we're back at 1/2. We have 1/16. 2/16.
This looks a little familiar.
What?
What does it look familiar
Oh,
to?
oh wait. So that'd be 1/8.
Very good. So we can group these two units together and then they combine to form a 1/8. Okay.
Okay.
Same way how in times past when we would drag out a single unit and then another one, and then they would form a group of two. It works the same way. All right.
All right.
Let's keep it going. So starting over.
I have 1/16.
Awesome.
Then we have 1/8.
Very good.
All right. Then we have 1/8 up. And then we have, I want to say, dang, what is that though? We have 1/8 and we have a 1/16 right there. So 1/8. What would that be though? Like 3/16 total, technically?
100%. 100% is 3/16.
Way to figure it out.
Hmm.
So now
All
you
right.
know how many eighths sit inside of 3/16.
You said how many eights sit inside of 3/16?
Yes.
Ooh, that's a lot of eight. 3/16s. So we know how many eights into 16.
Let's just
Eight.
look at the play space. We recognize these shapes.
Yeah, we do. So that's like a total of 3.
How many eight? So what does an eighth look like?
An eighth is 2 of those.
Very good. So like this. So how many groups of 2 do we have over here in this play space?
We have 1 group of 2.
Very good. So how many eighths do we have?
So we have 1/8 right here.
And how many units?
We have 1 unit.
Very good. Or how many sixteenths?
We have 1/16.
Very good. So we have 1/8 and 1/16. Perfect. You're catching on. Okay. Let's keep on going up. What about this?
So then it's gonna be 1/4
Very good. Why is it 1/4?
because we know that 4 of those little unit blocks right there equals 1/4. And
Very
if you just want to do 1/8 and another 1/8, that's just 1/4.
perfect. So we have 3/16. Now we have, what's that?
And then we have 1/4.
Very good.
And now we have 5/16.
Good.
And now we have wait, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6/8.
Very good. Well, no, not quite.
Ooh, not quite.
Let's take a look at that again. What does an eighth look like?
Okay, so we have 2 of those, right? Oh, wait, so then technically those would be like 3/8.
Very good. Perfect.
Okay,
How many
okay.
sixteenths does this make up?
So this makes up what is it? 3. Wait a
Let's
minute. Wait. Oh, no, they're individuals. Okay, my bad. 6.
Very good. So how many eighths again?
So then we got 3/8
And
and
how
we
many sixteenths?
have 6/16.
Perfect. All right,
Try
let's
me.
keep it going.
You try me
Oh,
before the.
you do what you do.
Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
You're doing
All right.
great. You're a quick study. It took me longer to learn it than this.
So then we technically. Oh wait. Keep it going. So we'd have technically 7/16.
Very good.
All right. So now that's a half.
Very good. And how many sixteenths?
There's 0 right now. Oh wait, nope. That's wrong. We have 8.
Very good. And how
All
many
right.
eighths?
We have 4/8.
And how many halves? I mean, how many quarters?
We have 2/4.
Very good. Let's keep
Mm.
it going.
This girl is brilliant.
So that'd be 9/16.
Awesome.
Hmm. So technically, we could say like 10/16, or in a sense, we could say like 5/8.
Perfect.
This girl. Hold up. How'd she get him so
I
fast?
told you she's an amazing learner.
She's a genius.
So we could say like 11/16, for instance.
Perfect.
All right, so now we're back with that. Ooh, okay. So now we have 3/4,
Awesome. And why do we have 3/4?
because of course, is 1/4 is just one whole, let's say, palm, for instance, and then we have 2 more, and that's a half.
Very.
So in order to make like a whole, we need another set of the 4 down here, but we don't have that, so it'd just be 3/4.
All right, let's make it up there to that whole. How many eighths do we have in here?
We have 1, 2, 6.
Very good. And how many sixteenths?
We have 12/16.
Perfect.
Excellent.
Let's keep it going.
All right. Now we have 13/16.
Perfect.
Now we have, I want to say 7/8. Wait, let me recount. Let me make sure. Yeah, 7/8.
Good job.
Perfect.
So then, by then we'd have, let's wait. Then we have 15/16. Okay. And then technically that'd be like a whole.
Very good.
Excellent. This girl is amazing.
100%. We've reached our whole of 16 sixteenths.
All
All
right.
right. Do you have any questions thus far?
No, I'm actually liking this. This is fun.
Perfect.
You're doing awesome.
I'm not
Uh,
the math type, so
Say that again.
especially since I'm not the math type for real. I'm actually
Oh,
not. I
no.
hate it.
Yourself. I can't tell.
yeah, I couldn't tell. I've been teaching you for weeks.
I can't tell. You seem like the math type to me.
You've been teaching right then, because it ain't my strong suit.
Well,
Mhm.
hey, you look strong to me.
And thank you. Gotta keep it up. Gotta keep it up.
You're doing great. You're doing extremely good. You have some fun. If you want to, do you have any cubes like this at home? Or
I do have the website that Mr. Byrd recommended, the Bitrix website.
okay, so if you want to have fun, just familiarizing yourself with the pieces by just counting forward and backwards, that'll get you
Mhm.
prepared if you just want to do that on the side until we come back together tomorrow, okay?
It did, 'cause I already got the picture on here, so I'm ready to
You
do
did.
that later.
You did excellent. We're gonna have fun tomorrow.
Yes, because I was lost at first, but I got it.
No, that you weren't lost, you were learning. All it is a game. You just learn the game pieces. You did a great job.
Thank y'all. Because,
Thank you, President. All right, Q, we'll see you tomorrow.
all right, see you both tomorrow.
All right,
All
happy
right,
learning.
be here in Nkosi.
All right, all right, Precious. I'll be here for you.
All right, stay safe, y'all.
You too.
Same to you.
All right, bye bye.
All right, bye.